Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's essential for every business today: digital marketing. If you want to know what digital marketing is, why it's important, and what it includes, make sure to watch this video till the end. Digital marketing is a strategy where we use the internet and digital platforms to promote products and services. Unlike traditional marketing like TV, newspapers, or radio, digital marketing allows you to reach your target audience directly and measure results in real time. So, why is digital marketing so important? Every business today needs to have an online presence because customers are on Google, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Digital marketing is cost effective and helps businesses connect with their audience in ways traditional marketing cannot. Now, let's look at the main channels of digital marketing. First, SEO, search engine optimization. This helps your website rank on Google so that customers can find you easily. Second, social media marketing, SMM, promoting your brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Third, content marketing, creating blogs, videos, infographics, and other valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Fourth, email marketing, sending emails directly to customers to build relationships and drive sales. Fifth, PPC ads, pay per click, running paid campaigns on Google, Facebook, and Instagram to quickly reach potential customers. Finally, affiliate marketing, collaborating with others to promote your products and earning commissions on sales. Digital marketing is not just for big companies, it's a fast-growing career field. You can work as a freelancer, join a company, or grow your own business online. Learning these skills allows you to promote your own brand effectively and reach customers anywhere in the world. So that's a simple and clear explanation of what is digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll explore one of the digital marketing channels in detail, so stay tuned.